Good morning, guys. What is it? October 28th today? Saturday? Or is it the 29th? Fuck, I don't know. Anyways, just gonna start trying to clean up this tin again. Gonna see if we can get that deck done today and clean up the garden for the old lady. We got a bunch of little chores to do. But hope you guys are having a deadly day. Thanks for popping in. Warm up the old 308. It's a little chilly today. It's like 0. Let everything warm up today. Come on, baby. Alright. Just idle her up a bit. Let that bad boy warm up for a bit. Alright, first things first, the old lady wants me to fuck up the garden. So we're gonna like till her up, you know? Crush up these squashes, bury everything. I wish I had like a tripod or something. I'm just kind of resting this in the window and it doesn't work too well. Hopefully, if I jam something in there, like fucking so, I think it'll kind of work. You can't really see that well, but that's all I got for you guys right now. I'm sorry. Fogging up in here, what the fuck? In a big sandbox. See me destroying fucking squashes. It's kind of fun. I wonder if I do this. You might be wondering why we have so many squashes. Well, this is our first garden. And we didn't really know how much to plant. You should see how much fucking zucchini we got today. So like, that's just a small fucking portion of the fucking zucchinis, fucking squashes. We picked a lot and used a lot, and like we got a little crazy. Oh yeah, look what we found. Dylan had some stands. That'll make our life a little easier for sure. How did you get in here? Come here. I can see you. Yeah, come on. Let me grab you. Come on. Let me grab you. How in the fuck did she get in here? Come here. Come on. I can see you with my camera. Come on. Come on, yeah. Come on, a little closer, a little closer. You're so close. Come on. Oh, come on. Fuck, this hurts. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I got you. I got you. I got you. Don't scratch me. It's okay. It's okay. I got you. I got you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I got you. I got you. Oh, fuck, that hurt my shoulder. Oh.
Dumb kitty.
How the heck did you get in there? Oh. Well, we got this set up out on stands. This thing is so fucking rotten though, man. Like, whatever. This is what he wants. But like, this whole thing is just floppy. Figure something out. I gotta figure out how to mount those legs to here. Alright, so I think we kind of got a little bit of a game plan. Changed it up a little bit from what I originally thought now that I got it up on stands. I'm gonna take these HSS pieces, these 8-footers, and I'm gonna fucking weld them onto here. So I'm gonna get rid of all this shit. So if I stitch these up on both sides, I should be able to cut these carriage bolts, and then that won't hang out. I'll put that on each side of there, and that should stiffen this prick right up. And then we'll put the legs on, and then we're gonna probably need something different for feet. We're gonna have to change our idea up there. We'll figure something out though. We will definitely figure something out. Alright, splashed a little fucking 60-10 welds on there because my 70-18 is old as fuck, so we're just gonna 60-10 this thing American style. They 60-10 every fucking thing, so we're gonna too. I approve of that message. Only top G's know this secret. Fucking first ever fucking hard hat. It's pretty dope. Pretty dope find. Like 16 when we got this. Fuck yeah. I gotta say, good thing I worked up north for a couple months, because I fucking learned how to scab things together and not give a single fuck. That truck shop was fucking something else, boys. This thing's pretty sick. The old lady likes the dildo attachment more than the saw attachment, but it's got multiple uses. Like, you can do all kinds of stuff with this thing. Alright, change of plans. I'm fucking zipping these pricks out about 4 inches all the way down. Gonna throw that HSS piece up that we built on each side. Boom, boom. That'll stiffen up this whole prick. We're gonna put the legs off of that. God damn, am I a genius? God damn! Anyways. Give me fucking 2 dead batteries, lady. Fuck. Oh, well, we went to Home Depot to get some renovation stuff, and I need a new stereo for work. That bump box flare fucking waste of money. I gotta send that back for warranty, I guess. It's got a year warranty, but I am not happy with that thing. So we picked this up for work. We got here instructions, some batteries for the clock, I guess. Oh, fucking get right into this bad boy. Bottle opener. Fuck yeah, I like it. Pretty sweet. Charger, phone storage. I like it. I like it. Let's see. Boom. Fucking deadly. And well, that was our weekend. Little bit of what we did. And thanks for watching, you guys. Like and subscribe. We're gonna jump on some Overwatch. You know, shit on some people, and then probably play some WoW. Get ready for Dragonflight. But cheers, you guys. Thanks for watching again, and as always, keep the shiny side up.